Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you 6 question from exercise 13.1. So the question is a small indoor greenhouse. So there is greenhouse, even it is called as what? Herbarium, is made entirely of glass pans including base. So it is made of glass pan including base, but we will see the shape here. Held together with tape means what? It is joined together with tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter height. It means what? The shape of greenhouse is cuboidal, isn't it? And it is made including its base. So it has a roof, obviously should have the roof or ceiling, then base, that is floor, and even the 4 walls. Everything is made up of glass. So what is the area of glass? So area of glass means what? How much glass is used to make the greenhouse. So here you have to find out the area of that cuboidal greenhouse. That will give the area of glass because it is made up of glass. Second, how much tape is needed for all the 12 edges? So for all the 12 edges, because it is held together with the tape, so you have to find out the measurement of all the 12 edges and then you have to add. So it will give the length of tape needed for joining the glass house. So you can take here, we have here cuboidal box. So you can see this is greenhouse and how much tape is needed to close this or to join the walls here, base and ceiling. That is the second question of question number 6. So we'll first write the given things here. So length, breadth and height is given. First of all, you have to find out the area and then we have to find out the tape needed, that is the edges. So here we'll write, so it is greenhouse and the shape is cuboidal. So length it is given 30 centimeter long. So I'll write here 30 centimeter, 30, 25, 25. 30 centimeters length, breadth is 25 centimeter and height is 25 centimeter. So we'll first find out the total surface area of greenhouse because roof, top and all the 4 walls, everything is made up of glass. Therefore we will find out here TSA, or you can write total surface area of greenhouse. So when we are talking about the TSA, we have to take the areas of 4 walls, roof and the floor. So the formula is, because shape is cuboidal, so L plus B plus H, B, H, L. So put the values here. 2 into L is 30, or just take like this, 30 into 25 plus 25 into 25 plus 25 into 30. So we'll write 0 here. 25 3s is 75 and this 0 plus 25 into 25, square of 25, that is 625 plus 25 3s 75 and 0. So add these all three things. So we'll get here 2125. 2 into 2125 you have to multiply. So that will give you 4250 centimeter square. 2 5s are 10, carry 1. 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 5. 1 2s are 2, then 2 2s are 4. So this is the total surface area of full greenhouse. So that is your first question. What is the area of glass? So this is made up of glass only. So what is the area of that greenhouse? That will be the area of glass. Therefore, area of glass equals to 4250 centimeter square. Next question is, how much tape is needed? So it is asked how much tape is needed for all the 12 edges, because you are going to join the walls, ceiling and the floor with the tapes. So we will see here. Second question it is, that is total tape needed for all. How many edges will be there? 12 edges. But all the 12 edges will not have the same measurement, because some edges are the length, some are height, and some are the width. So we will consider here one greenhouse in the cuboidal shape. So you can see length, breadth, and height. So if you observe length, this is breadth. Similarly, you will get here 2 lengths and 2 breadths, isn't it? And here height 1, 2, 3, 4. So total we will have 4 heights. So 4 heights we have to add. So I can multiply with 4 also. Plus 4 lengths, you can add L plus L 4 times, otherwise 4 into L, plus 4 breadths will have. So these all are nothing but the tapes. So we have to find out the length of tape needed. So I will take 4 as common, L plus B plus H I will take, or you can take H, L and B. So put the values of L, 30, B and H are the same here, 25 plus 25, 4, then 25 is 50 plus 30 is 80. So 8 4s are 32 and is 0. And H is LBH is in the centimeter. So this much centimeter of tape is needed to join the walls or the surfaces of the glass house. So total tape needed for all the 12 edges is 320 centimeter.